Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your password on Snapchat even if you have forgotten it. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your forgotten password on Snapchat, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your profile. After going to your profile, you will then be able to see the Snapchat settings at the top right corner. Just go and tap it. So here in settings, you will now be able to see the password option, which is where you can change your Snapchat password. So just go and tap it. Then after that, Snapchat will ask you to enter your password to proceed, but since we have forgotten our password, this is where we should go. And then Snapchat will attempt to send you a message, and that message will have the link where you can change your password. So just select between these two where you want the message to be sent. In my case, I will choose my email. Then after that, you can now enter your email address. Snapchat will send the message on the email address that you will enter here. Make sure that the email address that you will enter here is the same email address that you used to create your Snapchat account, since if you entered a different one, the result will be invalid and you won't be able to proceed. And once you're done entering your email address, you can now tap Submit. And after that, Snapchat will now send the message to your email account, so just go and open it. And here's the message, guys. Just open it to see the link where you can change your password. And once you've seen the link, you can now open it. And then after that, you can now change your password right here. Just enter whatever the password you want. And once you're done entering your new password, you can now tap Save to completely change your password. And then that's it, guys. Your password will now finally be changed. And when you go back to your Snapchat, your account will automatically be logged out from the app, so just log it in back again using your new password. And then that's it, guys. It's done. Congratulations. You will now have a new Snapchat password, so don't forget it again. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.